Thank you, Madam Toastmaster, for that introduction, fellow Toastmaster and distinguished guest. Today, I would like to share with you how I cracked the code on table topics. Yes, I'm going to give you the secret on how to succeed on table topics. I know that some of you must be thinking, extemporaneous speaking? That someone could ever love extemporaneous speaking on table topics? That's just impossible. But allow me to make my case, or to put it in a very technical terms. Allow the table topics champion for District 37, North Carolina, enlighten. There is not a 12-step program, and there is not a set of DVDs that you have to buy. It just comes down to two basic elements, and that's all. Just two very basic elements. Number one, what's your body language? You speak with your body. 80% of what you say is your body language. 10% is intonation, and 10% is actually what you're saying. What's your body language? Element numero dos. When answering a table topics question, you are always right. Yes, you are always right. There is no such thing as a wrong answer when it comes to table topics. No more anxiety, no more nervousness that you're not going to have the answer. You are always right. Because table topics is about you. It's about your opinion. It's about your take on the question. That's it. You're cured. Okay. I know what some of you must be thinking. Check out that guy. I mean, seriously, that you're always right? Huh. Check this out. Yo, Jose. The color of the sky is blue. Why? Oh, you know what? 1 plus 1. How much is 1 plus 1? Go ahead with your 3. Very valid questions. And in order to answer those two questions, I have two volunteers. To my right is Jose. To my left is Jose B. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Jose, how much is 1 plus 1? 1 is 1 unit, okay? 1 is another unit. And the plus means that you have to add them. So 1 and 1 is 2, 2 is the second number. And you can use a calculator and 1 plus 1 is 2. I mean, the only right answer is 2. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. Thank you. Thank you, sir. House B, take it away. Let me quote Hamlet when he says, to 1 plus 1 or not to 1 plus 1? That is the question. Fellow tabletop, fellow Toastmasters, if we have 1 orange plus 1 orange, that is self-evident. But if we have 1 orange and 1 apple, is that 1 orange apple? How about if we have 1 orange plus 1 piece of broccoli? Okay, we're talking about food. But how about if we have 1 orange plus 1 cell phone? Oh, well, that is 1 picture of an orange in a cell phone. Thank you very much. Now, did you notice that host B never say the word to? Does it mean that he's wrong? Is it just one single answer to that question? Okay. Let's move on. The sky is blue. Why? Jose, your turn again. Light travels in waves, and there's the spectrum of light, which has different colors. Now, the shortest part of the spectrum is blue, and it goes to the widest part of the spectrum, which is red. Actually, it's purple. So when the light travels down to Earth, and it passes through the atmosphere, and it interacts with the gases, and blah, blah, blah. Oh, okay, thank you for your Wikipedia answer. Host B. The color of the sky is blue when it is dead and when it is clear. Sometimes it is blue with patches of white. We call them clouds. Sometimes it is just white when there's a huge cloud on top. Sometimes it's gray when that cloud it just comes down and rains. Sometimes it's reddish, orangish at sunset. Sometimes it's just black Sometimes the sky is silver. Yes, silver. When I was in kindergarten, there was this huge box of colors, and there was the silver color. Man, to color with a silver pencil, it was awesome. It was soft and smooth, and I would color the sky, color of silver, and then I would pick up a piece of paper, blow it, and there would be a shower of sparkles. So I guess the sky is blue because it's just daytime. Fellow Toastmasters, who has the correct answer here between these two fine gentlemen? Who has the wrong answer? Are we here trying to figure out who reads Wikipedia more often? Are we trying to figure out who is able to accumulate more knowledge inside their heads, in their brains? No. Table topics is about yourself. Table topics is about your